Hey guys, it's Brianna from Slime and Craft, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing my updated slime supplies haul. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and like, and press notification bell so every time I make a new video, you get notified. And guys, if we reach 90 subscribers tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing something really big. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, now let's just get on with the video. So you guys, on I think like on Tuesday, I got some shoes and they were Converse and I had the box. And I don't know what to do with this, so I put like some of my containers. I have like these. I got 16 of these at the Dollar Tree. And they're like these and mostly regular containers that I'll show you in my video. And then I have 2 of these Glad ones. I like the sizes of them. They're not too big, they're not too small. And yeah, that's where I put my some of my containers. Sometimes I just like leave them where I just have them. But yeah, and that's like my containers. I got those containers at the Dollar Tree. Not the big blue ones, not the Glad ones. And then right here, I got these 2 big containers. They are, I don't know how much ounces they are. I could check right now, but I don't really know. They're Sure Fresh containers, and they're really good size. They're like that big. They're really clear. They are 64. They are 64 ounces. So yeah. So like I got 2 of them because they were in the 2-pack, and yeah. Let's just set that aside. Then I got some alphabet beads to make alphabet slime. And yeah, these have letters and holes. A couple containers. I don't know why I'm in here. But I have a couple containers that I should put away in my container box. Then I have 2 big storage containers. They are 4 gallons and a half. They're 4 gallons and a half because there's 5 quarts and each quart is worth 4 gallons. So yeah, so I literally got like 9 gallons. 9 gallons of slime, so I can make like 9 gallons of slime. Nah, that doesn't make sense. But you know what I mean, though. 9 quarts? I'm not sure. But yeah, I got 2 big containers right here to make big batches of slime, and the containers are not the containers, the lids are over there. And yeah, I have something else to show you guys. So, let me see if I can show you. I got these drawers that I keep all my slimes in. Right here, just has 3 big bags of Ziploc ones, and then there's ones, and then this thing, and I just have my 2-ounce containers, the ones I usually always use. And the bottom one, I have like different containers. I have like all my plastic bags, just like these random ones that I just have in here. But yeah, and I got this big white thing at Walmart for $10. And I really like it. The bottom drawer has nothing. I don't know if I'm going to put in it yet. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.